Okay, so this video is going to look at how we can factorize linear equations. So first remember that a linear equation has no powers in it, okay? So we've got no powers here, there's no squares, no cubes, okay? We've just got a complete linear equation. So when we factorize linear equations, the first thing that we need to do is we need to look at each term individually. And we say, are there any numbers that we can put into both? Okay, so are there any numbers are in both? Well, I know that 2 is in this one, and I can also do 2 times 2 to get to 4. So 2 is a common factor of both of these terms. Therefore, 2 is going to go outside of my bracket. The next thing I do is I look at each term individually and I say, okay, are there any letters that are in both? Well, you can see that there's an X in this one and an X in this one. So X is going to go outside of my bracket. Okay, I'm then going to start my single bracket in here. And what I need to do is I need to say, well, 2x times by what gives me 2xy. Hopefully you can see that is just y, because 2x times y gives me 2xy. Okay, and now I do 2x times by what gives me minus 4x. Well, that's going to be minus 2. Okay, the last thing we need to do is just double check that we've done this correctly. So let's do this by expanding the brackets. So 2x times by y, that gives me 2xy. Okay, and then next, if I did 2x times by minus 2, that gives me minus 4x. Brilliant, okay? So I'm happy because I've got my equation again when I've expanded. Okay, so if you're still struggling with this, look at my other videos on how to factorize linear equations.